In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my favorite bubble tea. I got these dried Taiwanese tapioca pearls from the local Asian supermarket. This is the tea I'm using for my bubble tea. For 1.5 liters of water, which is about 3 to 4 glasses of bubble tea, I need 4 tea bags. Add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk at a time and taste it to see if you like the sweetness and milkiness. Personally, I add about 3 large tablespoons of condensed milk.